Hi there, welcome to a model solution video. In this video I'll be just introducing an A-level maths course because a lot of people want to choose it, a lot of people have chose it but don't know much about it, so here it goes. Okay, so there's two parts to an A-level course. There's the AS part and the A2 part. This is the first year, this is the second year. Now there's two compulsory modules in both years, depending on what exam board you're on. Core 1, Core 2, Core 3, Core 4. And then there's an option module in each one. So you end up doing 3 modules each year, and what happens is the idea is you can choose these option modules, but the likelihood is your teacher has chose it for you and you'll get taught on maths. Now we have 3 different types of option modules. We have mechanics, stats and decision. These are all very difficult in their own way. If you don't take physics, mechanics is going to be hard. Mechanics goes from M1 to M5, also depending on which exam board you're on, but this can get quite difficult. M3 to M5 is very difficult. Now, if we take stats, all students find this hard. They find it very hard, and it's not because they're not used to it and not seeing the things, but it's just a different way of asking the questions. This will go from S1 to S4. And finally, decision. This can go from D1 to anything, D4, maybe D3, but I'm just going to write D4 because some will go to D4. Now, this is difficult because teachers don't really know it. It's very computational mathematics. Shortest routes. It's the basis of what computers are built upon. Loads of different algorithms, so you'll be learning that if you take decision. Now, back to the core modules. Core 1 will be looking at integration and differentiation. We'll be looking at surds, solving equations, and maybe the equation of a circle, or completing the square. I'll just write a square. Completing the square. Okay, now in Core 2, we'll be building upon this. We'll also look at sums and series. Lots of formulas to remember here. We'll complicate more equations, so solving more equations. We'll be sketching graphs. And that should be about it, yeah. Core 3 will complicate this even further. Learning loads of different rules now, into such as the chain rule, or the trapezium rule or something. Yeah, so we'll look at the trapezium rule in this, and it's a way of finding an integral without actually integrating. We'll also see the Simpsons rule in Core 4, but I'll wait for that. We'll introduce logs and exponentials, and we'll do some complex trigonometry. Core 4 will take this even further. we'll see the Simpsons rule. Put it on there. We'll start looking at what we'd consider as like physics types equations. So we have decay equation. So this could be a decay of a population or a radioactive isotope or anything. What else? Yeah, we'll take trigonometry further. And that should be about it. Obviously, this is an increase in difficulty, and it would be the same for these three.